I'm going to talk both about electrical potential energy and magnetic potential energy in the same video here because we know that they're linked when we learned about electromagnetic energy and we learned about electromagnets. So there's a lot of overlap in some of the themes that you're going to see. So for electrical potential and magnetic potential, distance plays a role in the amount of potential energy that you'll see. Now for electrical potential, it's charges that are also a factor, and similar but not quite the same are the poles in magnetic potential. So just to refresh, charges could be positive or negative. You could be neutrally charged as well, and the poles can be north or south. So let's start off with the common theme here, which is distance. So for distance, gets a little strange, but when they're both the same, whether it's same charges or same poles, when those same charges are close, that's when you have more potential energy. Reason being, they don't want to be close. When they're the same, they repel. And so when they repel and they go opposite directions, they are doing what they, quote, want to do, even though, they don't really want to do it. But the farther apart they are, it doesn't require any energy because that's naturally what they want to do. So by forcing them close together, you have more potential energy because now you're having to work to hold them there, and they now have more potential to move or change objects based on their distance. So if they're different, this is where it's opposite, charges or poles, then when they are far, that's where you have more potential energy. So they want to be close together. They could do that all day long, but when they're close together, it's not requiring any extra energy to keep them there. So when you pull them farther apart and they're still within each other's fields, then that's where they have more stored energy and they have more potential to move or change because they now have more ability to move back together again. So now with the poles and charges, that's kind of where that comes into play here with distance. And obviously if the charges are really strong, that's going to have more potential energy. And if the material is magnetic material, and sometimes magnets can be stronger than other ones too, so the strength is going to play another role in increasing the amount of potential energy that it has to be able to move or change things.